conversation and leave lasting impression. In today's podcast, Sushma says, let's take it a step further on how to make introductions. As introducing people is an art, it can make or break someone's first impression. How do you generally introduce people? Like your girlfriend to your friends or family members. Find out all there is to know about formal and informal introductions. Rules of the game when introducing people to each other. The fundamental rule when making introductions is respect and politeness. You must show deference to a woman by introducing the men to the women. Show respect to your elders by introducing the younger to the older. Introduce your friends right after saying hello, hi or namaste. Introduce them at once after saying hello or namaste so you don't keep either of them waiting. Don't let there be any opportunity for either of your friends to feel awkward or left out. Introduce them by their names. Karan, this is Arjun. Arjun, this is Karan. Describe your friends briefly and highlight their strengths. Say something unique or special while introducing a close friend. If you share a really special bond with one of the people you want to introduce, make your introduction warm and heartfelt by saying a few words about them. Karan is my high school friend. He is a smart guy and he loves hockey. Arjun is my colleague. He is really good at singing. Involve everyone during conversations. Fill them in. Engage our friends to make sure they feel comfortable. Create friendly environment to interact. Once you have planted these conversation starters and properly introduced them, give them some time to find out more about each other. Here are expressions to introduce others. How to introduce the men to the women. Kirti, this is Rahul, who has been helping me study for the IIT entrance. Special note, in social settings, a man is always introduced to a woman regardless of the individual's ages. Introduce the younger person to the older person. Mr. Mohan, I would like you to meet my friend Ram. He is my roommate in college. Introduce the person to the relative. Dad, I would like to introduce my girlfriend Seema. Introducing one or more persons and a group of people. Introduce the group to the individual. Sara and Amit, I would like you to meet Mohit, Aman, Yash and Hariom. Please note, when introducing yourself or other people in a formal situation, use full names. Make sure you know how to pronounce people's names correctly when making introductions. Say the names of everyone in the group slowly so that your guest will have a greater chance of remembering them. Always stand up for introductions. If you bring your guest to a small gathering, you may introduce him or her to everyone there. If you bring your guest to a large party, just introduce them to whom they are sitting by or those people who enter into a conversation with the two of you. What do you do when being introduced? Remember that first impressions are always the time to shine. So when being introduced to someone, look them in the eye. Offer a good handshake and say something like, "Nice to meet you." "Pleased to meet you." "It's a pleasure to meet you." Sushma says, always remember two things. This is and one phrase. Nice to meet you. With some practice, you too can master the art of introductions. Till then, goodbye. See you soon.